I would say this has put a complete crimp on the job. Well, they're a fireman trying to get someone out the front of a transit van. Well, we can see that, can we? Or possibly squirt water into it. No, I don't think there's anybody in there. Anyway, there's lots of toing and froing. No real reason why I can't get through there. Right, now there's a fireman running carrying a heavy thing. I don't know where he's gone. Some twat in a car trying to get past. Right, yes. The policeman coming now, so I'm going to turn this off. Right, this car's just reversed into the road, blocked us off. Here's the policeman coming again. He must be someone important. Still jacking that